Right, hi Jack, I'm Josh, I'm going to be physio today. What I'm going to do is just have a quick listen to your chest in a couple of different areas so we can try and find out where your secretions are.
Yeah.
Try and get them cleared a bit later on. So, first of all, is it alright? I'm going to listen to your chest. It's not too cold, so you should be alright.
Yeah. It's fine.
Okay. So, first of all, I'm just going to check your upper lobes. So, if you could just take some nice normal breaths for me. Okay, I'm going to try it this side. Okay, I'm going to move on to your middle lobe here. And your lower lobe, just move it further down a bit. And the other side as well. Good. I'm just going to check at the back. So once again, your upper lobe. Further down. Okay, that actually all sounds really clear, so we're okay.